Hi, my name is Andrew Boozer with OneGuard Home Warranties, and today I'll be teaching you how to replace the battery in your smoke detector. Usually, a smoke detector is fitted flushly with a wall or ceiling, but for this video's purposes, I'm holding everything in my hand. To remove the smoke detector from a wall or ceiling, turn on it counterclockwise. To remove the wiring, pinch and pull off. You will then locate the battery compartment. Press it open and remove the battery. Install the new battery and then press the test button. If your smoke detector emits a loud sound, this will let you know that your battery is good. To reinstall, reconnect the smoke detector to the wiring. Then, mount it flushly to the wall. If this doesn't solve your problem, give us a call. We'll be happy to assist you.